Hey, welcome back. It's Timo with Timo Paints, and today I want to give you guys a quick tip and trick that's going to help you save thousands of dollars, especially when you're estimating a house. If you have any kind of confusion about estimating houses, I'll leave a link in the description and I go through all the different types of estimating that I use to bid my jobs. I still use it today. It took me years to build it, but it works. So I'm going to give that to you guys for free. So the link will be in the description below and probably the pinned comment. So what I want to show you guys is with this alcohol swab, one thing I run into, a big problem that I run into when I'm estimating houses is that sometimes the trim has an oil base on it, especially these older homes. Now, if you just put latex paint right on top of the oil, you're gonna cause yourself hours and hours and hours and hundreds of dollars worth of product because you're gonna need to buy an oil-based transitional primer. Keep some alcohol with you, rubbing alcohol, whether it's a little pad like this, and then when you get onto the job and you're writing up the bid, you want to make sure it's not oil because it's gonna get you. It's gonna come back and screw you, man. So check it out. Take this little rubbing alcohol thing and just rub it on here. Just rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it a little bit, rub it a little bit. If the paint comes off into this rubbing alcohol, you'll be able to see it. I know it's not gonna really pick up on the camera, and it might just look like dirt to you, but you can see that some of the pigment is coming off of the paint. Now, if it comes off, then you know it's latex, so you're good. You're in the clear. If you're taking that rubbing alcohol and you're rubbing it onto an oil surface, it's not gonna clear. Keep some rubbing alcohol, rub that on the trim, the baseboards, the doors, in an inconspicuous spot. You know, somewhere it's not gonna stand out or mess up the paint job. You rub that on there, and if the paint comes off onto the alcohol applicator, then you definitely are in the clear to apply latex. You still wanna sand it down lightly to give the surface some tooth to bond to the new paint. I hope it helps you. This is like the #1 DIY mistake that most painters will make. Put latex over oil and it's a headache because it's not gonna stick. You bump a chair into it, coming through, hit it with a vacuum, it's gonna peel right up. Because we recently ran into a situation where we had to repair and remedy a situation where another painter had done that, and we had to peel everything off, sand it down, re-prime it with the oil-based primer, and then apply the latex. So keep in mind, you don't want to have to do that process. It's a total pain in the butt. But hey, hope this video helped you guys out. And if you want access to my estimating format, my estimating sheet, I'll leave it linked in the description and at the top in the comment. And if you made it this far in the video, put oil base in the comments so I know you're watching. And give me a thumbs up if you like this and want some more. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.